Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast. I'm your teacher, and today we have a wonderful student with us, Anna. Hi, Anna.
Hi, teacher. I'm happy to be here.
Today we're going to talk about something very important, your daily routine. You know, a daily routine is just a set of things you do every day. It helps us feel balanced and in control of our time. And talking about your daily routine is a very common topic in English conversations.
Yes, I want to learn how to talk about it better.
Exactly. So, to our listeners out there, we have a question for you right away. Do you have a daily routine that helps you feel calm and focused? Think about it as we talk.
That's a good question. I think I have some routine, but not always. Sometimes I feel messy without it.
Messy! Yes, I understand that feeling. Many people feel that way. Routines are not just about doing many things or being super productive. No, it's more about having a structure that supports you. They help with your focus, your energy, and especially your self-care. When you know what to expect, your mind can relax a bit.
So it's not only for work or study, but also for my calm?
Precisely. It's about creating habits that make your day smoother and help you take care of yourself. Even small things can make a big difference. For example, knowing you always have time for a cup of tea or a walk.
I like that idea. I want to feel more calm.
Great! So let's look at a full day, step by step. We'll start with the morning.
Okay. The morning is sometimes hard for me.
It can be. For many people, a good morning routine sets the tone for the whole day. So, what are some simple morning actions? First, waking up, of course. Then, before you even check your phone, maybe a little stretch. Do you know the word stretch?
Stretch? Like move your body slowly?
Exactly. You reach your arms up, touch your toes, it wakes up your muscles. Then, maybe a few deep breaths to calm your mind. And very important, especially after sleeping for many hours, hydrate. To hydrate means to drink water. So you might drink a glass of water right away.
Oh, hydrate. I try to do that. Water is good.
Yes, it is. After that, you brush your teeth and wash your face. Simple personal care. And then a light breakfast. Not too heavy, just enough to give you energy. You could say, I have a light breakfast. Maybe some fruit and yogurt.
Light breakfast. I usually eat a banana.
Perfect! And before starting your main work or study, it can be helpful to check your to-do list or schedule for the day. A to-do list is a list of things you need to do. It helps you see what's important.
A to-do list. I write my tasks, yes. So in the morning, I wake up, I stretch a little, then I hydrate with water. I brush my teeth. I have a light breakfast, like a banana, and I check my to-do list. Is that good?
That's excellent, Anna. You used all the new words so naturally. That's a wonderful morning routine. It sounds calm and organized. Now, let's move on to the afternoon. Afternoons can be tricky for energy levels, right?
Yes. After lunch, I sometimes feel sleepy or less focused.
That's a very common experience. Many people feel sluggish. That means slow and not very energetic in the afternoon. So, in the afternoon, we are usually studying or working. We might have meetings or work on projects. It's important to stay focused, and to manage our energy, we should take short breaks.
Short breaks. What do you do on a break?
A good question! A short break helps you recharge. To recharge means to get your energy back, like charging a phone. You can walk for 5 minutes, look out the window, or just stand up and stretch again. It helps you regroup, which means to think clearly again after a busy time. Don't just sit and scroll on your phone. Try to do something different.
Recharge and regroup. I like that. I usually just look at social media.
Try a different kind of break next time. And for lunch, a light lunch is often best to avoid that energy slump. An energy slump is when your energy suddenly goes down. If you eat a very big, heavy lunch, you might feel like you need a nap. We call that feeling a food coma sometimes, or even a knockout feeling.
Knockout. Like from boxing. So strong it makes you sleepy? Laughs. I know that feeling.
Exactly. So a light lunch can keep you focused. Maybe a salad or a sandwich. And remember to keep hydrating. Water throughout the day is good. So, an afternoon routine might include work or study, taking short breaks to recharge and regroup, and a light lunch. How does that sound?
It sounds good. I need to remember to take real breaks and not eat too much to stay focused.
You got it! Now, let's talk about the evening and night routine. This part of the day is very important for relaxing and preparing for good sleep.
Yes, I need help with that. Sometimes my mind is too busy at night.
That's very common. The evening routine is about unwinding and winding down. Both mean to relax after a busy day, like a clock that slows down. So, after finishing your main tasks for the day and having dinner, what can you do? Maybe a gentle walk or some stretching again to relax your body. You could listen to calming music or read a book. These things act like a reset button for your mind.
A reset button. I like that image. So I push the button and my brain calms down.
Exactly. Instead of pushing a real button, you do relaxing activities. Many people also enjoy a warm drink like herbal tea before bed. Herbal tea is tea without caffeine, so it helps you sleep.
Oh, herbal tea. I drink coffee. Maybe I should try herbal tea. So in the evening, I should finish my work, have dinner, and then unwind and wind down. Maybe I can walk, or read, or listen to music, and drink herbal tea to press my reset button.
That's a wonderful evening routine, Anna. It's all about preparing your body and mind for rest, so you can have a good night's sleep and wake up refreshed. This helps you start your next day feeling good.
It sounds much better than just watching TV until late.
It certainly does. Now, let's do a little practice together. I'll say a sentence, and I want you and our listeners to repeat after me. Try to say it clearly and calmly. Ready?
Ready.
Great. Repeat after me. I stretch in the morning.
I stretch in the morning.
Very good. Next, I take breaks to recharge.
I take breaks to recharge.
Excellent. And finally, at night, I wind down and relax.
At night, I wind down and relax.
Fantastic, Anna. That was perfect. And I hope our listeners at home also repeated those sentences. Practicing speaking aloud is so important.
It helps to say the words.
Absolutely. Now, before we finish, let's quickly review some of the useful words we learned today. First, stretch to gently move your body, like, I stretch my arms.
And hydrate to drink water.
Yes, and light breakfast, a small, easy meal in the morning, like fruit and yogurt. Then we had to-do list, a list of things you need to do. I write my to-do list.
Then focused. When your mind is clear and on one thing.
And recharge, to get energy back.
Exactly.
And regroup, to think clearly again after a busy time. Also, energy slump, when your energy goes down. And for the evening, unwind and wind down. Both mean to relax. And herbal tea, tea without caffeine that helps you relax.
Wow, so many words. but I understand them now.
You do, and you use them beautifully. Now, we invite all of you listening to describe your own routine. What do you do in the morning, afternoon, and night? Think about the question we asked at the beginning. Do you have a daily routine that helps you feel calm and focused? Share your answers with us.
I will try to make my routine better now.
That's the spirit, Anna. Remember, a simple routine can help you feel calm, focused, and in control. Thank you for joining us today, Anna, and thank you to all our listeners. We hope this episode helps you talk about your daily life in English with more confidence. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.